Word 21. Try. Try means to make an effort to do something. Example, I try to learn English. Repeat after me. I try to learn English. Try. I try to learn English. Word 22. Ask. Ask means to request information or help. Example, I ask a question. Repeat after me. I ask a question. Ask. I ask a question. Word 23. Need. Need means to require something because it is important or necessary. Example, I need water. Repeat after me. I need water. Need. I need water. Word 24. Feel. Feel means to experience an emotion or physical sensation. Example, I feel happy. Repeat after me. I feel happy. Feel. I feel happy. Word 25. Become. Become means to start to be something or change into something. Example, she becomes a doctor. Repeat after me. She becomes a doctor. Become. She becomes a doctor. Word 26. Leave. Leave means to go away from a place. Example, I leave the house. Repeat after me. I leave the house. Leave. I leave the house. Word 27. Put. Put means to place something in a particular position. Example, I put the book on the table. Repeat after me. I put the book on the table. Put. I put the book on the table. Word 28. Mean. Mean means to have a particular meaning. Example, what does this word mean? Repeat after me. What does this word mean? Mean. What does this word mean? Word 29. Keep. Keep means to continue having or holding something. Example, keep your phone safe. Repeat after me. Keep your phone safe. Keep. Keep your phone safe. Word 30. Let. Let means to allow someone to do something. Example, let me help you. Repeat after me. Let me help you. Let. Let me help you. Excellent work. Let's review the 10 verbs you just learned. Try. I try to learn English. Ask. I ask a question. Need. I need water. Feel. I feel happy. Become. She becomes a doctor. Leave. I leave the house. Put. I put the book on the table. Mean. What does this word mean? Keep. Keep your phone safe. Let. Let me help you. Now let's say the verbs one more time. Try. Ask. Need. Feel. Become. Leave. Put. Mean. Keep. Let. Great job! You have now learned 30 common English verbs. Let's continue with the next 10 verbs.